the 9 best Jura coffee machines. If you'll only accept high-end appliances and the best coffee at home, then you're probably a Jura fan. This Swiss company makes gorgeous machines featuring technology you can find in pricey cafes on trendy streets. Bring the finest cup of joe to your household with one of the models we've included here. We rounded up a good variety, from compact to comprehensive choices. The list starts from ENA 90, as the only model in the micro line that boasts pulse extraction technology. The ENA 90, about $973, is a nice compact option for those who won't settle for anything less than full-body taste. Unfortunately, water gathers inside the tray quickly. Low grounds indicator. Coffee strength is highly adjustable, but foam can be watery. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Impressa C65. When you're all about the froth, then you have to get the Impressa C65. APPX $1,569. Its fine foam technology will help you make those crave-worthy cappuccinos and lattes. Just know you might end up with a funny mustache after sipping your drink. Integrated rinsing system's 11-language display, but doesn't quite get milk hot enough. You shouldn't miss this product's review. A1 Ultra. If modern coffee machines intimidate you, rest assured people love how intuitive and simple the A1 Ultra, about $760, is. It heats up within seconds of turning it on and creates cups of java that are smooth, flavorful, and better than anything from the expensive shop on the corner. Easy to take apart and clean. Available in white or black, but tank must be refilled often. Well, here is the 7th one. E6 Platinum. Clear filters in the E6 Platinum, around $1,398. Ensure that even if you put hard water in the machine, it will make it softer and gentler on the equipment. Complete with 2 ceramic cups and saucers. You'll be ready to brew as soon as it arrives. Has a frothing pitcher. Includes a bag of beans, but only makes 1 cappuccino at a time. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. XS91 Touch Center. The XS91 Touch Center, about $1,900, deserves its impactful name because it really can do it all. Its 6-setting precision grinder sits on top of the unit, making it easy to see when it needs refilling, and the machine is capable of creating 15 bars of pressure. Simple to follow instructions, makes perfect macchiatos, but takes up a lot of space. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Z6 Automatic. Showcasing nearly all of the best traits Jura is known for, the Z6 Automatic, APPX, $3,360, demands attention. Its water filtration system means your beverage is made with the purest H2O, while its pulse extraction process pulls the maximum flavor out of the beans. Lets you name drinks on the screen. Large 81-ounce tank, but 10 milk temperature options. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. J90 Chrome. Based on looks alone, the J90 Chrome, about $3,500, will make for an impressive way to welcome potential clients to your business. As for functionality, it features a height-adjustable spout that accommodates most cups and a user-friendly rotary selection knob. Durable steel milk container. Makes excellent cappuccinos, but grinds beans rapidly. If you want cost-efficient, this new one is for you. ENA Micro 1. Considering that coffee aficionados esteem this line as royalty, the ENA Micro 1, around $780, is quite reasonably priced. It also boasts a smaller footprint, so even those with limited counter space can enjoy rich, creamy espresso every day. 2 aroma levels, 3 cup sizes, but energy-efficient technology. According to reviews, the second best product is Giga 5. If you want to feel like a barista lives in your kitchen, then get the Giga 5, about $4,895. with 2 of all the important features, such as grinders, bean hoppers, and heating systems. This impressive machine is ready for the needs of a busy office or just major Java lovers. Surprisingly silent, easy to program color display, but 12 unique recipes.